Welcome back, class 11, your English grammar class. Write in your exercise copies. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word. So remember, there will be 10 sentences given with a blank, as we all know. We have practiced it a lot. But just remember, in your examination, please do not write the full sentence. Just give the markings of the question correctly. If it is question, I think it will be your wait just a minute, it will be question 3b. So you write 3b, 1 answer, 2 then the answer, 3 answer. Don't write the full sentence. It is just a sheer waste of time. Just correctly write down the numerical of this question. If it is question 3, then write 3 b 1 2 3 like this. Don't write the full sentence. It is just a sheer waste of time. Anyway, number 1, the plane touched dash at 11:35 a.m. The plane touched dash at 11:35 a.m. Number 2, even at 8 in the evening, the men were hard dash work. Even at 8 in the evening, the men were hard dash work. Number 3, after his examinations, he disposed dash his textbooks. Disposed means got rid of. After his examinations, he disposed dash his textbooks. Number 4, how are you getting dash in your new job? How are you getting dash in your new job? Number 5, do you think she will ever get dash her shyness? Question mark. Do you think she will ever get dash her shyness? Question mark. Now, number 6, as soon as she arrived, she made dash for her sister's house. As soon as she arrived, she made dash for her sister's house. Now next is, can you make dash what he is trying to say? Can you make dash what he is trying to say? Question mark. Now next is, who will take dash when the headmaster retires? Who will take dash when the headmaster retires? Okay. Now number 9. The child took dash his grandmother immediately. The child took dash her grandmother immediately. Sorry, the child took dash his grandmother or her grandmother, what you want to feel like, right? Immediately. Now, number 10 is you can have the book now. You can have the book now as I have finished dash it. As I have finished dash it. Please don't write as I have finished reading it, because reading is not a preposition. So you can have the book now as I have finished dash it. Although the sentence will be correct, grammatically it is not wrong, but question wise it has been asked that fill in the blanks with a suitable word, but that suitable word is a preposition, not a verb or some noun, whatever. No, it's not that. So you cannot write you can have the book now as I have finished reading it. It's a wrong answer. That's one tip I can give. So solve it. I'm coming back with the answers. Now the answers. The plane touched down at 11:35 a.m. That means the plane, this is the airport, the plane has landed, touched down at 11:35 a.m. Even at 8 in the evening, the men were hard at work. That means the men were working very hard. After his examinations, he disposed of his textbooks. Disposed of. That means get disposed of means getting rid of. After his examination, he got rid of his textbooks because he no more needed. That's why he got rid of them. How are you getting on in your new job? That means how are you getting on means how are you adjusting yourself, and how is the environment? How are you adjusting with the people around you? How are you adjusting with the people around you? So how are you getting on in your new job? Okay. Do you think she will ever get over her shyness? That means you will overcome her shyness. Now, as soon as she arrived, she made up for her sister's house. That means she started moving towards her sister's house. She went to her sister's house. As soon as she arrived, she made up for her sister's house. Can you make out what he is trying to say? That means, do you understand what he is trying to say? Can you make out what he is trying to say? Number 8. Who will take over? Who will take over when the headmaster retires? That means when the headmaster retires, who will be the next headmaster? Who will take over when the headmaster retires? The child took to his grandmother immediately. That means when the child saw his grandmother, he went to her and started playing with her. That means he did not take time to mingle with his grandmother. The child took to his grandmother immediately, went to his grandmother immediately without wasting any time. Number 10. You can have the book now as I have finished with it. Finished with it means I have finished reading it, or whatever work I had with the book I have done with it. So now you can take the book. So you can have the book now as I have finished with it. Okay, that is all for today's class. I hope you have understood, and please go on practicing because it will help you in the long run. Thank you for today.